Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate an API key in Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come here to the left hand panel, click on a Get API Key, and here you'll see all your API keys. You can click on specific projects. So here I have this base 44 one, right? And we'll do a rotation for this. So click here, the top right, Create API Key. Okay, then you name your key. So we'll do base 44 key 2, and we'll choose our project. So here you see choose an imported project. You can come here, select this drop down. I'll choose the base 44 project right here, and then I'll click on create key. So the typical process is this. So we create the new key, and then we'll replace the old one in our application code. Okay, so here you can see this one is our new key. And then we can go ahead and delete this. So you come here, click on these three dots. You can click on delete key. Now what I want you to do is just go to your applications. You replace the old key, in the service code, you replace all the instances of the old API key with the new API key. And then you test it out, right? You verify the functionality, thoroughly test it, confirm that, they're successfully using the new key to communicate with Gemini API. If that is the case, you can fully just delete this key, and now you have basically rotated to the new one. Okay, as you can see, it's done. And that is how to rotate an API key in Google AI Studio.